Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Somya Mohanty and today we have got something super important to talk about. Google two-factor authentication. It is your online secret weapon. So stick around because your digital life is about to get safer and simpler. First thing first, what is two-factor authentication and multi-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication is a specific type of multi-factor authentication which is used to verify the identity. Two-factor authentication helps add an extra layer of security to your personal and business accounts. Two-factor authentication requires user to present two types of authentication method, whereas multi-factor authentication requires user to specify two or more authentication methods in order to gain access to the accounts. Using two-factor authentication for your Google account benefits you a lot, including enhanced security for your account, protection of your sensitive data that are stored in your Google account. Here you can see some key benefits of using two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication makes your Google account more secure. It adds an extra layer of protection beyond your password. It makes more challenging for the unauthorized access. It also shields personal information being potentially exposed. Enabling two-factor authentication helps prevent unauthorized email access. It safeguards your privacy and personal information. The enhanced security is crucial because your Google account likely stores more videos, photos, documents, email, and lot more things. By enabling this option, you will be able to protect all this information and sensitive content. Open your web browser, access to myaccount.google.com. Log in with your registered email ID and password. Click on that. Click on security. You can see I do not have enabled two-step verification. Click get started. Now select from the drop-down menu. You have two options, security key and the method of text message and voice call. I am going to choose the second option. Provide the intended mobile number. You will receive an OTP. Enter the one-time password. Click next. Now your two-step verification is enabled with the account. In this tutorial, we have learned how to enable two-factor authentication for your Google account. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit on the bell icon for more notification. It will keep me motivated and make such contents for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.